Here is their client portal homepage where they can see their files. If they have multiple within your office, maybe a returning customer for a refinance or a new home purchase. Let's take a look at their upcoming transaction. This is what your buyers and sellers would see, a file summary if you will, closing tax information, realtor info, and then any events that you assign for that user to be able to view. We'll let them know when they're open and completed. As you can see, there are a few menus at the top of the screen to navigate their file. We're currently in the Details menu, very similar to your file summary. The Messages icon is flashing, letting the borrower know that they have a new unread message. This borrower has a couple of messages, as we can see. The one with the faint yellow background will be the unread message in this instance. They can also see that there is indeed a document attached with this message that's been sent. So here they can click on that document to retrieve it, read the message that you've included. They can simply click Done when they're done reading that message, or also Reply. This will go back into their file as well as showing on your whiteboard. The documents that you send through the messages will also save separately in this Documents tab, so if they don't need to go back here each time. Here are the few intro letters that we've saved for this purchaser. We can just download that. We'll open in another tab or window as a PDF, all dependent on their browser settings. They can print this if they'd like, or simply read the document and then just close out of that tab when they're done. The last menu here, the Zillow, is where the client portal user can view some listing information regarding the property referenced in this transaction, as well as comparable homes for sale within the area. In addition to what you've seen in today's video, the lenders and realtors will have a similar file view. They'll also be able to create new orders and fee estimates. Through the new eClosing client portal, we hope to make the closing process more secure by having all collaboration done within the portal. We also hope that this will, in the long term, reduce the number of calls to your office that you receive from parties involved in these transactions, because they now have a one-stop shop regarding information about their closing.